Today we're going to learn how to glitter a bottle. So what we need, the supplies that we need is of course a bottle. We need some glue. Today we're going to be using some Mod Podge glue, but you can use any glue, and if you just make sure that it's compatible with glass. We'll also use some glitter. Any glitter will do, your favorite kind, your favorite color. And you'll need something to apply the glue, and I have these sponge brushes, and you can get those from anywhere. I bought these from Michaels, the glue and glitter from Michaels, but anywhere is fine. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. What we also need is a plate or something disposable that you can pour the glue on, and we're going to open up our glue. It's a little tight. We're going to pour some of the glue on the plate so that we have it readily available, and we're not having to go back and forth in the bottle because you don't want to get leftover glue particles in the bottle. So we're going to start by again using the bottle. This is Hennessy. It's my husband's favorite, and I'm doing this for my husband's party. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the label exposed. You don't have to. If you want to just do a plain bottle and just cover the whole thing is fine, but I'm going to leave the label exposed. I like the look of it. So we'll go ahead and get started. And we're just going to stick our sponge in the glue and then just apply. And as you get to the label, be careful to not put the glue on the label. So as you see, I'm pretty careful. And I typically start at the label because that's probably the hardest part. And so I'm pretty liberal with the glue. But just making sure that it's not clumps of glue. And you see how a little bit of glue got on the label? I can just rub that off. It's pretty easy to come off. So continue to put the glue on your sponge. And liberally apply. Okay, and so you see I got a little more glue on the label. I'm just going to wipe that off. So now comes the fun part. We're going to open up our glitter, and we're going to pour the glitter right on the bottle, and it's going to stick to the glue. So let's go ahead. Something I forgot to say that's very important. Please use newspaper because this glitter will get all over the place. So you want to prepare your surface as you're pouring. And you probably hear my grandkids in the background. That's my first run. Just kind of shake the bottle for the excess glitter to come off. And actually you can just rub this off. You see, it exposes any glitter that's on the label. Because there's no glue on the label, it won't stick. Okay, so you also see that there's some spaces here where the glue didn't take very well. The glitter didn't take very well. I'll come back and do those over once I'm finished with the bottle. Okay, so we're just gonna go on. The back will be really easy because I don't have to worry about the label. I'm not going to keep this label exposed. So let's go ahead and apply some more glue. So actually, for a first shot at this, pretty good, don't you think? And it took no time to complete. This is really easy way to add, in my case, a decoration for a party. But you know what? You can take a full bottle and you can give this as a perfect gift. Give someone's favorite bottle of wine, champagne, or their favorite bottle of alcohol, and then bling it up, and it's a really nice gift. So again, all I used was this glitter. This glitter is a little bit bigger, and it's not as fine as you can see these are. Now, I like the fine glitter, but it seems like this glitter gives you a little bit more bling. So it just depends on what you want. Okay, so this is extra fine and this is regular glitter. So again, go to your nearest craft store, get you some glitter, get you a bottle, get you some glue, some sponges, some newspaper, and you'll be all set. Can't wait to see you do your next project. Hope it goes well.